My name's Elliot Braund, and I'm the Revenue Operations Manager here at Brandbassador. Brandbassador, we basically help any consumer brand in the world turn their customers and fans into an army of super fans. So for inbound, we used to have normal demo request forms that every SaaS company in the world probably has on their website. We would have prospects answer those forms or complete those forms, submit them. And then we would have market response reps that would reach out to the people that have submitted the form, trying to book them in for a demo with our account executives. On the outbound side, we had spreadsheets for round robins. So we would have our SDRs try and book a meeting with people. When they got that meeting confirmed, they would then go to their individual spreadsheet, understand who was next in their round robin, and then book a meeting in through Google Calendar. I think the biggest challenge was just speed to lead. Like, how quickly can we get these prospects in front of an account executive to actually show them the product and sell the product? And we were seeing a lot of drop off from submitting the form to actually attending that demo with our account executives. Outbound, super simple. We use Salesloft. We have the Chili Piper Salesloft integration. So whether they're booking on the phone, they've got the button in Salesloft ready to use. If they're booking through email, they've got the button in Chili Piper or Gmail. So it's really simple for them. On the inbound side, we use Concierge. So our demo request forms, our pricing request forms, basically any form on our website goes through automatic grading. Being able to segment those into those kind of 3 different areas just allows us to get the right person in front of them at the right time for where they are in their buying journey. And it's really improved the customer journey at the top of the funnel for us. Having the HubSpot integration with Chili Piper has helped us hugely. We create a deal at the stage of demo, which I'm sure most people would. We use the custom fields in HubSpot that Chili Piper creates on the integration to understand, what queue has someone come through, how have they booked, and then, has that meeting been booked successfully? And if all of the correct criteria is matched, we'll create a deal through the automations in HubSpot so that everything's waiting for the account executive. There's nothing that they have to do before that first meeting. It's already set up and it's ready for them to run from there. Removing that admin from the account executive or someone else in the team that would have to just do all the manual admin work, that's been the real benefit to the integration. We've seen double the conversions come through our website now. We're still using the same form, but in terms of actual leads that we get to speak to at the account executive stage, we've doubled that. In terms of revenue from both inbound and outbound, we've seen increases in revenue. On the outbound side, we've seen a drop in no-show rate. We've seen more statistics than I can probably list off in a call in terms of benefits through using Chili Piper. But the main one for us is the efficiency and letting people do what they're good at, not burdening them with admin work. It can be scary to go and kind of tear your process down and rebuild it with Chili Piper. But once you do it, and it doesn't take that long, it takes way less time than you think when you're kind of starting that process. But once you go through it, once you do it, and once it's set up to the way that you want it set up when you're imagining it, it just is it's a life changer. So definitely go ahead, definitely do it. Just jump in.